Everything that matters starts somewhere.
This is the heartbeat of Europe.
The atmosphere is absolutely electric.
One city, 3 days. All eyes on what's next.
Such an incredible event. It's really just an honor to be here.
6 stages, hundreds of speakers, over 1,000 exhibitors and partners. Once a year, Hamburg becomes the meeting point for the digital economy. Be part of it. Meet the people shaping industries and the companies behind them.
The quality of speakers is very high.
People in the audience, the production.
From some of the biggest stages in Europe down to the floor where it turns into business. Every tool, partner, and decision within reach.
So many thought leaders. It is definitely the highlight of our year.
This is where the industry shows up. Decision makers, founders, teams, all in one place. Join masterclasses, guided tours, and exclusive side events.
I would argue it's the biggest and most iconic digital gathering on the continent.
This is where business actually gets done.
OMR is what you make of it. 70,000 people, the ideas, the opportunities, all of it here. This is where your journey begins.
I had a lot of fun.